Why do people save their money for a rainy day? Why don't they use all the vacation days they're given? Don't people realize that you can't get back the time you have with your kids when they're young? Don't they understand that the best years of their life aren't ahead of them, but in front of them? If you want to know when the best time is to take a vacation with your children, look out the window right now, because it's raining. Call for your free Beaches of Fort Myers-Sanibel Visitors Guide, or see us on the web at fortmyersanibel.com.